Welcome everyone, my name is Mama May and congratulations on taking the first steps on investing on yourself and for your future. I've been in the NFT space for the last 2 years and I work part-time as a registered nurse and I live in California with my husband and 3 kids. All it takes for me is 15 minutes a day utilizing my trading strategy, and if I can do it, you can do it too. I've learned a lot within these years and have a 89% success rate and average of over 30% ROI. I've traded about over $500,000 and bring in about 4 to 5 figures monthly, and I do all of this from home. So my goal today is to give you the fundamentals for free and walk with you step by step on how you too can start making extra thousands of dollars from your laptop or desktop just as I do. So first up, let's create a crypto wallet, and this is where all the money you make begins to flow into. Now, what is a crypto wallet? It's basically a trading exchange that holds your coins, and the network that we will be trading in is Ethereum. For short, it's called ETH. It's one of the most popular coins alongside Bitcoin, and in order to start, we need to buy some ETH to fund our wallets so we can start trading, buying, selling, and making money. So let's go to Coinbase.com. That's a platform that I use and I'm located in the States. It's a well-known and pretty popular one. The link is below. You'll click sign up here and we will be making an individual account. And from there, you'll click on it and I'll get started and I'll ask you some questions and everything has to be answered legally. I'll also ask for your social security number, driver's license, as well as your passport. It's a way to KYC, which means know your customer. It pretty much wants to verify that you are the person who you say you are. And it'll also be connected to your bank account. And this is where you'll be depositing your money into. And it'll also be where you'll be withdrawing your money into your bank account. So everything has to be legally stated. And then once you go through all the scenario, I'll show you next on how to purchase your first coin. Now that we've got your Coinbase account all signed up and ready to go, I will show you how to connect your Coinbase to an online banking account. You will click right here on this blank person avatar. You'll click on settings. And then you'll click on payment methods. And from there, you'll put add a payment. And Coinbase uses Plaid, which is a secure online connection to your online banking account. And then you'll select the bank that you bank with. And then from here, all purchases from Coinbase will come directly from your bank account. And then after you set this up, I will show you how you can purchase your first coin. Now that you've got your online banking account linked with your Coinbase account, you are ready to get to the good stuff. Buying your first crypto coin, and we will be purchasing ETH. So you click on that trade button, we'll click on Ethereum, and there's a buy button, sell button, convert, and we'll be utilizing the buy button. And here you can convert over to ETH or a dollar amount. And let's make it easy on ourselves. We're going to put $500, though I do recommend starting out with 3 ETH. Then you're going to put pay with and you'll use the online banking account that you linked it with. You'll press preview buy. And right here, I'll show you how much you're buying ETH at, the purchase amount. There is a small Coinbase fee, and then that will be your total amount charge. So then you'll click buy now, and that's how you buy your first ETH coin. Now that you've got your Coinbase wallet that's linked to your online banking account all set up with ETH in it, you're now ready to create a NFT trading wallet through Metamask, and this will be your main trading wallet. We'll go here, click the download for Google Chrome button, and then we'll add to Chrome. In doing this, we'll add the Metamask extension. And this is where we get started. We're going to create a new wallet. We're not going to be using import an existing wallet because we don't want to connect the Coinbase wallet that's connected to our online banking account. Instead, we want to create a new one that's not connected to our banking account and one that will be our main trading wallet. So I'll agree to the conditions. You'll type in a password, and this is the password you'll use every time you open up your Google Chrome browser. and create a new wallet. From here, I highly recommend you to watch this 1 minute and 35-second video. It will tell you the importance of what a secret recovery phrase is, also known as your seed phrase. It's a 12-word phrase that will act as your master key, also known as your password for your wallet that holds your funds. So then we'll put here, click that button to secure my wallet. Here, it'll tell you to write down your secret recovery phrase, and you'll press the Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase button, and it will show you 12 words. Now, these 12 words are unique to your crypto wallet. This is the password. This is how you have access to your funds. There's nobody that can recover these words for you. That's why I need you to write it on a pen and paper and keep it tucked away in a safe spot. There is no, I forgot my password, so that's why you need to keep this protected. We're not going to use the copy to clipboard. I don't want you to copy and paste this anywhere on your computer, because if for any reason your computer gets hacked, your 12 words could be retrieved by somebody else, and we don't want to give them access to your crypto wallets. Go ahead and write down your secret recovery phrase with a pen and paper, and then I'll ask you to confirm the order. And just for demo purposes, this wallet is not linked to anything. It's just a demo dummy wallet that I'm using for this video. So no need to copy my secret word phrase. Yours will be unique to yours. So once you've wrote all your words, you're going to tuck that paper in a safe place, and we'll press confirm over here. You'll see the wallet creation successful window. We'll click the next few buttons, and MetaMask is now installed onto your Google Chrome. On the top right, there's a little puzzle piece. I want you to click on that. We're going to pin the MetaMask extension. And from here, when you click the little fox icon, that's where you'll see your MetaMask. Now what we'll do next is we'll send money that we bought from Coinbase on over to MetaMask. And that's how we can begin trading, buying, selling NFTs through our MetaMask wallet. So we've got our Coinbase wallet, which is connected to our online banking account. And we've just set up our MetaMask wallet, which will be our main trading wallet. So now we need to send the funds over. We'll click on that trade button. We'll click on Ethereum. On the top right, there's a send button. We'll click that. You'll send whatever amount of ETH dollar amount you want to send to your MetaMask wallet. And then go ahead and click on that fox icon, which is your MetaMask wallet. And then we are going to be sending over the asset Ethereum. And then it's going to say to. We're going to copy and paste the address of our MetaMask wallet. You'll click on that blue link over there, and it'll copy over your unique wallet address. It's random letters, numbers. So I'll paste it in this section here. And I want you to confirm that you copied and pasted properly. Check the first digits and check the last few digits. Once everything looks good, you'll press the continue button. And then I'll ask you to send now. And when you press that send now button, it'll take a few minutes to get confirmed. And then once it's gone through, when you click on your MetaMask icon, you'll see your funds in there. So congrats on making your wallets. Next up, we're going to be going over NFT marketplaces.